In this video, I'm going to go over with you the transaction history so that you can understand how it works. All right. So I want you to notice you're going to see some things that are written in green, other things that are written in blue, and some that are in black. Okay. So as of I think July the 6th, we have the color-coded model to make it easier for you to read. I want to see July 6th. What that means is when you see blue, I'm going to start at the bottom, blue. It means that X amount of dollars came in, right? I'm looking at these dollars. So, no, by the way, this is a test account, so it's not real, but just so you can understand how it works. So, whenever you receive a payment, it's going to be in blue. You're going to be given the transaction ID, right? Which you can easily grab, and you know who it came from, right? For what user, right? And you're going to see if it went to your wallet. This will be your wallet right here, right? In this case, $25 or 26.0026 BTC. Now, you want to know if it's valid, you take this address, right? You can always go out to blockchain.info and paste that in, and it'll show you that what the transaction was. But here's what I want you to catch. If it's here and it shows it's your wallet, go check your wallet first because it'll be sitting there with that same hash ID. Save yourself the trouble. Just open up your wallet. So there you go. Here's another one. If in fact, this is an example of what you would see if for some reason you sent not the sufficient amount somewhere, or someone did, or something like that happened, and the money got hung on pending commissions, we will actually send it back to you, and it'll come as if it was a commission. So since it says for user, there is no user because it's a refund because you wanted your new wallet address and the money was held up until you put it in there. So then it comes back to you. In this case, $100 would have come back to this user if that's the case, but we just want you to see what it would look like. When you see green, this means that you've earned the commission, right? Wherever you see you've earned these, you're going to see the blue payments showing you that, number one, that you received it in your wallet, or you're going to see the black that tells you that you cycled in that level. So take a peek. Instant commission earned, woohoo, right? How much? $25. Instant commission received, how much? Woo, right? And whenever you see these four, now you can't see it here just because these are tests, but there would be blue ones to match, a $25 blue one, 50 blue one, or 100, 300. You would see it right there. It looks just like these. This is easy. Now look, everything is date and time stamped, so you can match it up with your app or whatever method you use to store your Bitcoin. You'll be able to see the transaction. When you see one coming in, you're going to see a corresponding. When you see one coming in, you see a corresponding action that's taking place on the other side. So that's how that works, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Look at the date and timestamp and always look to see where did it come from. This came from IC admin, right? This test. This one is a refund, right? Whatever you see, if it came to you, check your wallet first by click on the hash and look at your address that it went to, right? It says that it was received, but here's the other thing to do. When in doubt, copy this into wherever it's called, blockchain.info, and you'll get your answer. This is the admin panel. On the right side, not the admin panel, this is your pending history, pending transactions. On the right side, you'll see the dollar amounts that represent of any transaction. If any transaction is going out or coming in or paying for your matrix to land in your sponsor's new matrix, it'll all be on the right side, but it'll also be listed in the description, and then the date and timestamp will give you the rest. There you go. So that's it. It's pretty simple stuff. You can do it. Just want you to see how it works in the transaction history, and it's easy to use. Take care.